So it's supposed to start snowing between 8 and 9 tonight. And it is now 4:30. So I don't know. I think it's gonna end up being a lot of snow tonight. Yeah, snowing pretty good. Definitely, I think gonna be a lot of snow by the time when Rod gets home at 11:30, 12 o'clock. I bet this is gonna look different in the morning. Okay, I'm gonna put some salt on the steps, and I tell you what, I don't like most of the stuff they sell for salt for putting on your steps in the store, because most of it has chemicals or they're out of it. So this tends to be what we get to put on our steps. It's sticking now. Still snowing. It's about 7:30. Yep, I'd say that I can't see it, but I'd say the driveway's all covered because the walkways out there where it was slush before, they're all covered now. Got some big snowflakes coming down. It was trying to melt, but it's still, I salted the steps earlier, but they still got more snow on. Yep, definitely coming down good. For those of you that know what Trip Check is, you see the X's on there? There's one there that is our exit, and one up a little higher that is exit 80. That means they have closed the interstate now. So Rodney will be getting off at the Merlin exit now on the way home, because it's about 10 after 10 right now, so he has not started home yet. Rodney just started home. He's trying to melt again, but you can see it on the railing. We got quite a bit. But we'll see how the roads are. It is about 31 degrees, so it's gonna maybe be ice underneath the snow. You can see we're still getting a little snow, but it's not the big flakes we were getting before. But it is snowing in White City, where Rodney just got off work. He's got about an hour till he gets home. He's on his way home. Interstate is still closed, so he'll be getting off at Merlin, and I'm watching Trip Check to make sure that it doesn't start getting blocked up, because if it gets backed up, then he'll have to get off at Grants Pass and go the back way the whole way. So we'll find out soon. Rodney's home. Snowing again, but he made it home. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next time. Have a great day. We're gonna really enjoy our retirement.